The blinking green light on your Nintendo Switch dock is one of the most common issues Switch owners face. This light indicates a communication error between your dock, console, or TV. This issue is particularly common in Switch units manufactured between 2017 and 2023 and can be triggered by system updates or temperature changes. But don't worry, most cases can be fixed with simple troubleshooting steps. Step 1. Perform a basic reset sequence. First, unplug your dock's power cable and wait 30 seconds. Remove your switch from the dock completely. Next, reconnect the power cable and wait for a solid green light before putting your switch back in the dock. This reset clears temporary communication errors. Step 2. Verify your connections. Test different HDMI cables, preferably Nintendo-certified ones. Try alternative HDMI ports on your TV and check that your TV input settings and resolution are compatible. Step 3. Check your power supply. Make sure you're using the original Nintendo AC adapter, which outputs 39 watts. Inspect the USB-C connector for any damage or debris that might interfere with the connection. Finally, test the charging functionality in handheld mode to isolate whether the issue is with the dock or the console itself. If your Switch charges normally in handheld mode, the problem is likely with the dock. These 3 troubleshooting steps resolve most blinking green light issues. If the problem persists after trying all these steps, you may need advanced solutions or professional repair. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced software and hardware solutions can resolve persistent docking issues. Start with software-based solutions. First, verify your Switch has the latest system software and perform a manual update if automatic updates have failed. Access maintenance mode to clear the system cache and force system updates. This resolves corrupted files that may interfere with docking functionality. Reset display settings by manually setting the resolution to 1080p or 720p and temporarily disabling Match TV power state to eliminate compatibility conflicts. If software fixes don't resolve the issue, hardware cleaning and maintenance are the next steps. Hardware solutions focus on cleaning the USB-C connector and managing thermal issues that can cause communication failures. Clean the USB-C port using compressed air to remove debris, followed by 99% isopropyl alcohol on a cotton swab. Ensure the port is completely dry before reconnecting to prevent damage. Address thermal issues by ensuring adequate ventilation around the dock and checking for dust accumulation in the vents that can cause overheating. Prevention is key to avoiding future docking problems. Following proper maintenance practices significantly extends dock lifespan. Maintain optimal environmental conditions with temperatures between 60 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Ensure at least 6 inches of clearance around the dock and avoid direct sunlight exposure. Practice proper usage by gently inserting and removing the switch, using only original Nintendo accessories, and maintaining a monthly cleaning schedule. Watch for early warning signs, including intermittent flickering of the green light, delayed TV signal recognition, inconsistent charging behavior, or unusual heat generation during docked play. Following these advanced solutions and prevention practices will resolve most persistent docking issues and significantly extend your dock's operational lifespan.